Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Tesla firmware and your iPhone meet the workaround requirements, and install the CarPlay Bridge app or plug in an approved dongle. Once done, connect the phone to the dongle via a certified Lightning cable, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone so the bridge can negotiate. Make sure the phone is unlocked and you accept any trust prompts. This allows the Tesla to see Apple CarPlay as an external display and establishes the initial data link. Next, open the Bridge app and follow the pairing prompts. Select CarPlay as the output display and allow required permissions. Once paired, make sure audio routing is correct. Route calls over Bluetooth, media over USB, and CarPlay for navigation audio so voice directions work properly. Then adjust screen resolution and touch calibration inside the Bridge settings to match the Tesla screen. This reduces lag and mistouch. If latency appears, try lowering rendering resolution or switching to wired car. Finish by testing everything. Start navigation, play music, and make a test call to confirm microphone and steering wheel controls function. If you see lag, audio dropouts, or touch failures, first restart the Bridge app and reconnect the cable. Once that doesn't help, reboot both the iPhone and the Tesla MCU, then repair the Bridge. Make sure you use Apple-certified cables and an officially supported dongle. This one key fix resolves most instability and keeps CarPlay responsive while driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.